Credova Loans Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to my honest review of Credova Loans. If you're considering using this platform for financing, here's everything you need to know before committing. Credova is designed for consumers who want to make purchases but prefer spreading payments over time rather than paying upfront. It's particularly popular among outdoor enthusiasts and firearm buyers, as many merchants in these industries partner with Credova. The platform offers buy now, pay later solutions with quick approvals and no hard credit checks initially, making it accessible to people with varying credit scores. However, while this sounds appealing, there are critical factors to consider. First, Credova's financing terms can come with significantly high interest rates, depending on your creditworthiness. APRs can reach as high as 35.99%, which means a $1,000 loan could cost you hundreds more over time if not repaid quickly. Additionally, some contracts include deferred interest clauses. If you fail to pay off the balance within a promotional period, you could retroactively incur hefty interest charges on the full amount. It's essential to read the fine print before agreeing to anything. One standout feature is the flexibility in repayment terms, ranging from a few months to a year. This can be a good fit if you have predictable income and can budget accordingly. However, the catch lies in their no hard credit check claim. While it's true they won't conduct a hard inquiry during pre-approval, some lenders within their network may perform a hard pull if you proceed with the loan, which could impact your credit score. Who is Credova best for? It's ideal for individuals who need to make a high-ticket purchase urgently and are confident in their ability to repay the loan quickly to avoid steep interest. However, it's less suitable for those who struggle with financial discipline or live paycheck to paycheck, as the costs can spiral out of control if payments are delayed. The bottom line: Credova loans can be a convenient solution if used wisely, but it's far from the cheapest option. Before signing up, carefully assess your repayment ability, compare it with other financing options, and calculate the total cost of borrowing. Don't let the allure of easy financing blind you to the potential pitfalls. I hope this review has given you clarity and confidence to make the right decision.